Hello kids. Red color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, orange color, black color, E for apple. E, red color. B for boy. B, yellow color. C for cow. C, purple color. A for apple. B for boy. C for cow. One. O in E, one, light green color. Two. TWO2, orange color. Three. THREE, three, black color. A for apple, red color. B for boy, yellow color. C for cow, purple color. 1, light green color. 2, orange color. 3, black color. किड्स वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब। बाय किड्स।